Hi everybody, Rich with IC again. We're going to go through and do the full assembly of this machine. One of the important things with this machine is the only place you need lube is for this bell seal here. We'll grab a little bit there. And again, keep in mind, this is the only place you need lube. Now you can grab your augers, put them into your machine, make sure that they engage. Okay, go ahead and get rid of that. Now for your bowl, for your hopper, make sure you get your bushing in there. Okay, the other thing you need to do is that we need to put that seal on first. Okay, make sure it's fully seated. I'm going to get that in there. Then it engages in the back, okay? Then you lock it down and make sure that the pin is engaged as well. We'll do that one more time. So again, we'll start with our hopper. Okay? And make sure that your bushing is going right, engaging into there. Okay, and again, we need to put our hopper gasket here. Okay, I'm going to grab that. And then this just goes right into there. Okay, and again, make sure it is fully seated. Okay, now put that into our machine. Making sure that your pin, your safety pin, is engaged. Now we're ready for our faucet assembly, okay? So for this right here, you put your spring in first, and then there's, with the gasket here, this faucet gasket, there's really no way to mess this up. You just follow the pattern there. Okay, make sure that that's fully seated. You grab this and just slide it over from the top. There it is. One more time. Again, you got your faucet assembly here, spring, make sure that engages on the top. Get your faucet gasket, make sure that's fully seated, and then just slide it from the top. That's it. Now this part here could be a little tricky for some people because of the way you have to put this on, but watch this. You get it started on the opposite end here, start it there, engage it. Then you kind of want to twist it while you're pushing this down. And there you go. We'll do it one more time. Okay, we have it here. And it helps if you press down on that just a little bit. But we're going to engage it here first. Give it a twist, a turn, and there it is. That's all there is to it. Now we're going to fill our machine, okay? We've got our mixing jug here. Give it a slush around a little bit, like if we're wagging a dog's tail. And we'll do it one more time for the other side. So now we're going to put our lids back on. Second one, just make sure you plug them in so they light up. Now we're ready to fire it up. Really simple. We're just make sure it says ice. Ice. There it goes. And that's all there is to it.